alcoholic, you know. That's what you do when you're in England, you know, when it's sunny out. Let's do this 5 minutes walk. Nobody plan to travel these days. People are reading books. Wow. If I wasn't going somewhere, I'll probably join you. Drone shot, please do let me know. Yeah, it's very, very hot today. I think it's about, well, what I want to do is I want to show you guys the gorgeous view of Clevedon. So if you look, that's the pier there. The pier is quite a long one because of the, the height. The tide is out. You won't be able to see the beautiful sea coming in there. But yeah, down there there's a pub there. There's more pubs along the road. So guys, yeah, it's quite busy. So let's go down and let me show you guys what. Come back! Can you cone off my street?
I dropped my ice cream. In my defence, he didn't actually put it on properly, he just put it on top of the floor. I have a spare cone.
Alright, so I'm just going to walk down now. Let's do this 5 minutes walk along the Clevedon. I believe you're not allowed to take dogs in here, so I'm just going to walk all the way to the end and at the pub where the pub is. Hopefully we can wrap up this video. Then yeah, so if you want to get to Clevedon, you can use the bus, you can use the taxi. There's a lot of car parks down here. Yeah, it's quite an amazing place, you know. It's quite amazing. Like, people can swim here. It's free, you don't have to pay to swim here. Yeah, a lot of people are sunbathing, you know. When it's sunny in England, it's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Well, I have my beer here, which I'm having. It's non-alcoholic, you know. That's what you do when you're in England, you know. When it's sunny, you know, you have a few drinks, you know. I try to give myself time, like, not to drink this summer, you know. Give myself, like, only have a non-alcoholic beer or non-alcoholic drink. It's really good, you know. At the same time, I'm still drinking beer, so, you know. Yeah, so guys, do me a favor while you're watching the video, you know, consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. At the end of the tour, I'll try to show you guys like the drone shots of beautiful Clevedon. Yeah. So yeah, so if you want to see more videos from me, like doing the drone shot, please do let me know. Yeah, it's very, very hot today. I think it's about 28 degrees. Very, very, very hot. Yeah, make sure you drink a lot of water. You know, I'm here, I'm drinking my non-alcoholic beer while people are sunbathing. Probably I should join them, you know. I should put my swimmies on and probably dive into this sea. People are reading books, having drinks, sunbathing. I don't even know what people are doing, you know. I bet nobody plan to travel this day. Well, I almost finished the tour now. The tour will wrap up from there. Then we can enjoy a beautiful drone shot of Clevedon. Yeah, amazing. I'm almost finished my drink as well, so hopefully we can probably take the drone off and show you guys how gorgeous Clevedon is. Right, so guys, thank you so much. If you did enjoy this quick tour of Clevedon, please do let me know. Yeah, I will definitely see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed these amazing drone shots of Clevedon. Thank you so much. See you guys. That's a nice barbecue. Oh my god. Wow. If I wasn't going somewhere, I'll probably join you. Enjoy. Well, that's how you end your tour with a barbecue. Well guys, if you did enjoy that quick tour, please do let me know. Well, I'll finish and I wrap up. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video from Clevedon. Now we're in the city center of Clevedon. Please do me a favor, do like this video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because I try to explore and show you guys some unique places around the UK. If this place remind you of like previous, you know, residence or neighborhood, please do let me know in the comment section. So I can't get in there. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video, guys.